now about to witness the strength of street knowledge.
You are now listening to the sounds of Chris Lloyd.
I think this country was built on gangs. You know, I think this country still is run on gangs. Republicans, Democrats, the police department, the FBI. Yeah, those are gangs. You know what I mean? The correctional officers. I had a correctional officer tell me straight up, we the biggest gang in New York State. Straight up.
Don't
Straight up.